36S12 code 4, and that is your victim.
Affirm. I'll get the information and bring the party.
Forward G6S12 10-4. And 184 Mary's en route to 1198.
112.7
Omega and McClellan.
112.71, wait 10
SAC, Air 21, westbound from the scales with two vehicles racing. Westbound.
McClellan Jet Services, King Air 806 Lima.
Air 21, copy westbound at the scales. 23109 activity, two vehicles.
Affirmative, if anybody's available. I've got a silver vehicle and then a, looks like a black or dark purple. About 100 now, west of the scales, number 1.
Clear unit available for two vehicles, 23109, westbound 80 from the scales, silver vehicle and a black or dark purple vehicle, 100 plus. Air 21, just for info, only units that are still 10-8 are 42 and 51. Everybody else is assigned to something.
Over 110 now, west of Greenback.
1.
Any units available, two vehicles, 110 now, west of Greenback, westbound 80, just west of Greenback.
Sacramento 112, 14611. 14611, go ahead. Are you cozy?
SAC, west of the PED now, using all lanes, reckless.
Air 21, copy. They're going to be just west of pedestrian overcrossing. And all lanes, reckless.
I'm also going to be with Officer Barrett. I think it's
6184 Mary.
Got his number.
184 Mary. 42 is trying to get
Officer
in
Barrett.
position. He's from Morse.
And he will be cozy too.
184 Mary 10-4, you'll return back for the 20,002. You're trying to get in position for the 23109. They're westbound, west of the pedestrian overcross.
Westbound, west of Madison. About 120 or 130 now.
They're going to be westbound, west of Madison at 120, 130.
They're going to be committed to 80. They're not going to take the transition. We're westbound 80 now from the transition, from the 51. Westbound 80.
21, copy. They're westbound from the split. Westbound 80 from the split, committed to westbound.
I'll
184 Mary, you're going to be Longview on to westbound.
At 184, we're west of Watt now, and they've split up. I think I can identify the other one as well, but the leader is black, using all lanes, west of Watt now. SAC, this is like a black or dark purple going by at Longview now, using all lanes. It's a Mercedes.
Air 21, copy. They're going to be passing Longview now. It's a black or dark purple Mercedes.
184, we're just getting on. We're passing Longview, westbound. Number 3 lane now.
184 Mary, they're passing Longview now. Six 184 Mary, copy. They're passing Longview now.
SAC, I'll go car to car. SAC, Air 21 will go car to car. 184, we're west of Winters. I just have the leader now. West of Winters, all lane. Purple Mercedes. Number 3 lane, west of Winters now. SAC, tell them we're west of Winters by a half mile. Now on the number 1, purple Mercedes.
184 Mary, they're a half mile past Winters. Number 4.
SAC, we're just going under at Rayleigh now. Number 2.
112, 150 north.
Air 21, you're at Rayleigh now in the number 2.
Eastbound 50 from 59. 2 go now, silver Mercedes SUV, 4 William John Tom 51.
I got the leader. Zach, tell him I've got the leader, and I'll try to find the other one. We're just going to get the leader now. Solo now is the purple Mercedes.
184 Mary, per air 21, you're just going to try to get the leader. It's going to be a purple Mercedes.
Ignore, copy.
Number 1 lane west of Dry Creek, coming up on Rio Linda.
Possible 152 eastbound.
Air 21, just west of Dry Creek in the number 1.
4 go now. Green GMC SUV, no plate information, all of the roadway, swerving. And
42, you're from westbound at what?
Blue.
42, if you could look for a silver, like a Charger, or maybe it's a new Camaro. Taking Norwood, taking Norwood. We're taking Norwood, purple Mercedes, taking Norwood.
Air 21, copy, you're taking Norwood.
Over 3 copy.
180, taking the Norwood off.
Northbound on Norwood, coming up to Jesse.
Air 21, northbound Norwood.
Northbound Norwood now, eastbound on Jesse from Norwood.
Copy, eastbound Jesse from Norwood.
After a right turn on Jesse, first left is going to be Burgess Drive. We're northbound on Burgess Drive.
Copy, northbound Burgess from Jesse.
Eastbound on Jesse, northbound on Burgess.
4 Mary, eastbound Jesse, northbound Burgess.
Continuing on up Burgess, Burgess is going to come out on Bell, but we're still on Burgess, just south of Bell.
184 Mary, Burgess, just south of Bell. Do affirmative, Norwood off. Take that northbound to Jesse. Eastbound Jesse to Burgess, northbound Burgess to from Jesse. They're just south of Bell.
SAC, we're eastbound on Bell, approaching Rio Linda. Well, belay that. We're eastbound on Bell. We're turning into a school. Stand by.
Is it this thing in front of me, this Mercedes?
That's it. He's behind the correct vehicle. The correct vehicle.
184 Mary, 1097.
SAC, we've got vehicle stopped at Bell and Taylor.
Area 21, just confirm Bell and Taylor.
Hey, affirmative. We need another unit. This is 1 at gunpoint now.
Area 21, I copy. 1 at gunpoint, request another unit. 4642 is en route. 42 from Norwood to Jesse.
Keep on coming up to Bell. It's quicker, but if you've already turned, don't worry about it. Go Jesse to Taylor. Go Jesse to Taylor. Skip Burgess. Second left is Taylor. There you go. Turn left there, and then on up to Bell. SAC, so far driver is compliant.
Area 21, copy. Code 4, driver's compliant.
No, not code 4, not code 4. So far, driver's compliant.
Area 21, copy. Driver's compliant, and 184 Mary, copy 2 on board.
Straight across into the park for the unit responding. Straight across.
You want that guy?
112.71 or 73. We have a 245, Palmer House and Gerber.
Back 73, boy, go ahead.
73, boy. It's a
Air 21,
245
update.
with a vehicle. Palmer.
Go ahead and get it. Give us a tone. It should be code 4 soon, but give us a tone. They're taking the driver into custody.
Negative contact, but
Air 21, 10-4. I'll hold the tone.
A vehicle's parked at the Bike's Pizza lot on Gerber. And it's a black Ford truck. 0931 Union David call. Which returns clear to a Ford utility out of Sacramento. RP's advising he'll flag units down.
Back 73, boy. 10-4, where's the victim?
Palmer House and Gerber. The vehicle's in the parking lot there at Mike's Pizza.
10-4. I'll be en route from Gerber Stockton to the victim.
73 boy from Gerber and Stockton to see the victim.
Tax 71, boy, copies, I'll be in.
184, you guys code 4?
Yeah, we are. Are you staying around the area?
Hey, farm. SAC 184 is telling me that they're code 4. You can clear the tone if you got one.
Air 21, 10-4, 184 Mary's code 4. Please resume normal traffic, Sacramento clear, WRG 698 at 1902. 6184 Mary, go ahead. 184 Mary, negative.
Sacramento 112, 73, boy. Believe I'm 10-8.
Sacramento.
173 boy, you believe you're 1097.
46S12. The units that are out with this 23109, final stop was going to be Bell and Taylor, and they're going to need a supervisor. 6S12, 1098, and you're going to be in or out.
Zach 106, Mary, when you have a chance, ETA from neighborhood.
46 106 Mary, 10-4 ETA from neighborhood.
Information broadcast only on a 20,002 read on ramp to the east.